Hello everyone, welcome to my channel She Stripes Online. This girl is new here and this is my first video ever, so show me some love by liking and subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to click that bell icon so that you will be notified for my new videos. Also let me know in the comments below how you liked my video and from where are you watching. Let's get to the video. And this video is about all the cute keyboards. I know how my girlies love to customize their phones and make them beautiful and kawaii. So now we will go to the Play Store, and the first keyboard that we will be downloading is called Design Keyboard. Let's download this. So I have already downloaded it in my phone. I will just open it for you guys. Now this is the home page of this app, and all the cute new the popular ones are listed here. You can just scroll and select any that you like. You can also preview the keyboard right on this app. There are so many options and so many colors are available in this app. If you like plain colors keyboard like I do, here are some great options for that. Like there is pink, there is purple, and you can also create any keyboard with a GIF, that moving image. That is so new for me, as I wasn't aware of this feature as of now. We can also customize our keyboards. There was an option at the bottom of that page. There is an option for a pink keyboard. How cute it is with candies and obviously pink. Now to install it, it requires permission, which varies on your devices. I am using Samsung A13, so I will just grant it the access, the permission that it requires. Now we will move on to the settings. You can also change the fonts. Here are so many options available, but I will not choose any as I like the default font. There are so many options you can look at. Right now I will go into the sounds, as I like the typing sounds. I will turn that on. These are all the sounds available, but I like the basic one, so I will just keep that. Sorry, I want you all to check all the sounds. I will just increase its volume as my preference. You can test everything right on the app. So now I have applied the keyboard. Let's check. It is asking me to check its menu. All the options that are available in this keyboard can be accessed through this menu. There is an option for these small free games too, and I think it's quite cute. Like when you're bored, you can just go and play those games from there. Some more typing. Let's check the emojis or stickers or GIFs what are available at this keyboard. You can also draw your own stickers too. Now we will move on to the second keyboard. Go to the Play Store and type Play Keyboard. I will open this up as I have already downloaded in my phone. Again, we have to grant it access to our phone. Make it our primary keyboard. So I think that this app has more cute themes than the previous one. This one is with the unicorns. It also has some live pre-made keyboards as well, which I believe were pretty cute, and we can also search the keyboards by the colors too. This is one of the live keyboards, and it comes with all these stickers. I believe these stickers change every time when we open up the keyboard. So this app is not free. I am here in Pakistan and it asked me to watch an ad in order to download the keyboards. So what I did, I watched the ads and downloaded some themes just to show you guys. These are listed here, and you can also create your own themes as well. Let's apply. I have downloaded this theme and one live theme, and here it is. Look, the sticker changed when I opened the keyboard again. Here it is the third time. Now it's not changing anymore. So this app also requires you to sign in to access the settings as well. You can also change the typing sound from this as well, and it doesn't have a lot of typing sound options as previous one had. Here is the preview.